Hi, I'm Brian, and I built Drone Copilot, a voice-controlled drone assistant powered by Gemini Live API. Today, I will show you how Gemini lets you fly a drone just by talking to it. Maybe you are trying to film a live event, or check your roof after a storm, or inspect something you just can't safely reach. In all of these cases, flying a drone and focusing on the task at the same time can be really hard. So I built Drone Copilot. You just talk to it and it flies. It's powered by the Gemini Live API on Google Cloud. So let me show you the architecture. The backend runs on Google Cloud and keeps a live Gemini session open. My laptop talks to it over a WebSocket. I send my audio and the drone live video up to Gemini, and it sends back a voice response and drone commands, all in real time. And when the drone runs an autonomous mission, the client also calls Gemini Flash directly for visual detection to find and approach the target. So here's the web dashboard. I'm connected to the DJI Telo. Here's the live video feed, telemetry with the drone battery, the temperature, the altitude. We have which model is used. Now we will start and I will talk to the drone. Take off. So we have the response back from Gemini.
We are airborne.
Okay.
Battery at 85%.
Okay, and now I will ask to inspect an object. Can you inspect the open box on the table?
Roger that. I don't see the open box on the table from here, so I'm initiating an autonomous search to locate it.
So we have live API.
Understood. Autonomous inspection is go for target. Open box on the table.
Okay.
Standing by for approach updates.
So we use Flash to...
Scanning. No visual yet. Moving to the next position.
So now it should see the target. Let's wait.
Target acquired. Beginning the approach. Approach phase initiated. I'll narrate the progress.
We have the bounding box on the correct target.
Making corrections and closing in. Target is getting closer.
Perfect. So the live API is already here, and Flash open up each time we call it. Good.
Drifting left, but closing in now.
So there is two boxes, and it chooses the correct one, so the open one.
Target is centered and in position. Starting detailed inspection.
So because there is a little wind, the drone sometimes have some issues.
Final centering is complete.
Okay.
Inspection in
The
progress.
inspection started.
Strafing right for an angle view.
Okay. So you take a picture from the side to really inspect the object.
Moving left for the opposite angle.
Okay, good. So now it will generate the report.
Inspection complete. We've got a green and white Puma shoebox, size US 9. It's in good condition and open with tissue paper visible. Manual control is now restored.
So if I click on this, we'll see the report generated, the acquisition, the front close-up, the different side view, and here the description of each. Here the text, so we see the size of the shoebox, and here we have some more details and some mission summary. Let's go back to the web dashboard. We do something else. Can you rotate right?
Rotating right, 90 degrees.
Wait, can you rotate counterclockwise 45 degrees?
Roger, rotating counterclockwise 45 degrees.
Can you tell me what you see?
I see a set of white slatted shutters, partially open to a glass door. To the left, there's a bicycle with a brown box on the rack.
Okay, can you move up 20 centimeters?
Moving up 20 centimeters.
Okay, can you move forward 50 centimeters?
Moving forward 50 centimeters.
What do you see?
I'm right at the doorway now. The interior is still quite dark, but I can see the wooden chair more clearly with what looks like a red cushion and some vague shapes inside. Battery is down to 38%. We're getting low.
Can you see a person?
Affirmative. I can see a person in the doorway. They are dressed in dark clothing and sitting on the chair.
You can land now.
Landing initiated. Battery is at 36%. We're back on the ground.
It had some issue with the video feed because it's only a 720p camera. So that's Drone Copilot. You talk to it with your voice and it responds to you. It sees through the drone's camera in real time and it can run full autonomous missions, all running on Gemini and Google Cloud. It's fully open source, deploys with a single script and runs on an educational drone, the DJI Telo. If you don't have a drone, no problem. The repo includes pre-recorded demo flights you can run right away. Thanks for watching.